Hi friends, in this video we are going to know what are the advantages of PVC false ceiling designs and what will be the price for installing PVC false ceilings. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's continue to the topic. So friends, PVC false ceilings have become increasingly popular due to their variety of advantages. First one is the durability. PVC ceilings are resistant to moisture and termites and decay, making them long lasting. They do not corrode or get damaged easily, even in humid environments. And second one is the waterproof. Unlike other materials, PVC is completely waterproof, making it excellent choice for areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements where moisture is concerned. The cost of installing PVC false ceilings can vary depending on several factors, such as location is prices vary between region and cities, and another one, design complexity. Simple designs cost less compared to the integrate or customized ones, and another one is the quality of materials. Quality of materials, higher quality or branded PVC panels will cost more. Another one is the size of the area. Larger areas will increase both materials and labor cost. And labor charges they can vary based on local labor rates and the experience of the install. And another one is the additional features if lightning installation or other custom features are integrated, the cost will rise. I generally estimate the cost of installing PVC false ceilings typically range from 80 rupees to 200 per square foot in India. This includes both material and labor. It's recommended to get quotes from local contractors to get more accurate estimate to your specific project. Maintenance. PVC ceilings are easy to clean and maintain. They can be wiped with a damp cloth and remove dust or stains without the risk of damage. Fourth one is the cost effective. PVC is a PVC false ceilings are generally more affordable than other materials such as wood or gypsums, both in terms of intel cost and installation. This makes them budget friendly option. And fifth one is the lightweight and easy to installation. PVC panels are lightweight, which makes them easy to handle and transport and install. This also reduces labor cost and installation time. And sixth one is a variety of designs. PVC ceilings comes in various colors, patterns and textures. It's giving to the flexibility to match them with your interior decor. Some even omit of look wood, marbles or stone. And seventh one is the fire resistance. PVC materials have self-executing properties and do not support combination of making them relatively safe in terms of the hazards. Eighth one is termites and fungus resistance. Unlike wooden ceilings, PVC is resistant to termite and does not promote fungal growth even it's damp in the conditions. And ninth one is the installation. PVC ceilings that provide some level of insulation, helping to maintain temperatures within room and potential contributing to the energy savings. And tenth one is a recyclable. PVC is recyclable material which makes it an environment friendly and this choice compared to the some other ceiling materials. Overall, PVC false ceilings are versatile and practical choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Before installing PVC false ceilings, there are several important points to consider. First one is the ceiling height. Ensure the room has enough height to accommodate a false ceiling without making the space feel too cramped. The false ceiling is typically lower than height by a few inches. And second one is the moisture and humidity. PVC false ceilings are moisture resistant, making them ideal for areas like bathrooms or kitchens. However, check the level of humidity in the space to ensure proper durability and avoid to the mold or mildew. And third one is the electrical wiring. Plan the electrical wiring and lighting features and any controlled service like advanced PVC ceilings make it easier to hide wirings, but it's important to finalize the layout of before installation. And fourth one is the load bearing capacity. PVC ceilings are lightweight, but if you intend to add a lighting fans or any other features, ensure that the false ceilings can support them. You may need to be additional support structure and surface preparation. The exciting ceilings is surface should be clean, smooth and free of any leaks or structural damage before installation. Any exciting issues should be addressed and beforehand. And quality of materials. Choose high quality PVC panels and that are durable, fire resistant and termite proof. Low quality materials may be discolored, sag or degrade or faster. Ensure there is proper ventilation in the room as PVC does not absorb the moisture. Poor ventilation could lead to be consideration issues. PVC ceilings do not provide significant thermal installations. If installation is a concern to consider combining PVC with exotly installation materials. Choose the design that complements the room decor. PVC false ceilings